Choosing the right platform is crucial when developing a dating app. Options include iOS, Android, and web, each with its own cost implications. iOS often incurs higher initial costs due to specialized coding standards, while Android offers a wider reach with lower development costs. Web apps are generally cheaper but may lack functionality, impacting user engagement. Essential features like user profiles, matching algorithms, and messaging capabilities form the backbone of any dating app. Advanced features such as video calling and geolocation can enhance user experience but increase costs. Monetization through in-app purchases and subscriptions is vital for revenue. Balancing these features with budget constraints is key to a successful app. A well-designed user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, are critical for attracting and retaining users. Custom designs can cost significantly more than templates, but offer a tailored experience that can boost engagement. Investing in quality UI/UX design is an economic decision that can determine the app's success in a competitive market. Deciding between an in-house team and outsourcing affects both cost and quality. In-house teams offer better communication, but are more expensive, while outsourcing can save money but may present challenges in oversight. Key roles include project managers, developers, and designers, each contributing to the app's development and overall cost. Ongoing maintenance is essential for app success, addressing bugs and enhancing features based on user feedback. Annual maintenance costs typically range from 15 to 20% of initial development costs. Regular updates ensure compliance with data protection laws and maintain user trust, impacting the app's longevity and user retention. Developing a dating app can cost between $50,000 and $300,000, depending on features, platform, and team composition. Basic features like user registration and messaging can cost between $50,000 and $100,000, while advanced functionalities like video chat and AI matchmaking can raise costs significantly. Understanding these expenses is crucial for effective budgeting and planning.